In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Norton scans to check for threats on your PC. This guide will walk you through the process of ensuring your computer is safe from any unwanted intrusions or malware using one of the most trusted antivirus programs available. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to Norton, these instructions will help you navigate the essential features with ease. First, to begin your scan, you'll need to access the Norton app on your computer. If it's not immediately visible on your desktop, you can find it by searching in your computer's Start menu. Once you have the Norton interface open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the various options available. Norton offers a user-friendly layout that allows you to access its security features promptly. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand panel of the Norton app. Here, you'll want to click on the Scans option. This will lead you to the main scanning hub, where you have the opportunity to review the current status of your scans and start a new one if necessary. It's a good habit to run these scans regularly to ensure that your PC remains secure against any potential threats. After selecting Scans, look for and click on Open Scans. This action will bring up a new window that presents you with several scan types. Norton provides multiple scanning options tailored to different security needs. In this part of the process, you'll see options such as Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. Each option serves a unique purpose depending on the level of scrutiny you need. A quick scan is ideal for times when you are short on time, but want to ensure there are no immediate threats lurking within the usual hiding places in your system. It checks common areas where malicious files might be stored. On the other hand, a full system scan is more thorough and will examine every single file and process, ensuring that nothing dangerous has slipped through the cracks. This scan takes a bit longer, but provides comprehensive coverage. For more targeted checks, you can choose the custom scan option, which allows you to specify which files or folders need to be scrutinized. This is particularly useful if you've downloaded new software or received files from an untrusted source, and you want to verify their safety without scanning the entire system. Once you've selected the scan type that best suits your needs, click the Start button to initiate the scan. Sit back and let Norton do its work. It's important to ensure that your computer remains on and connected to a power source throughout the process to avoid any interruptions. That's it. By following these steps, you'll be actively protecting your PC from potential threats, keeping your digital world safer and your mind at ease. Remember, routine scans are a key part of maintaining your computer's health, so make it a regular practice. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.